Now that you've subscribed to the TradingView add-on inside your TradingView platform, you're ready to connect your account directly through the TradingView app. The process only takes a moment, and once you're connected, you'll be able to chart, analyze, and trade all from one unified interface. To begin, open the TradingView app and log in using your regular TradingView credentials. Once you've signed in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the Trading Panel tab. This is where TradingView lists all supported brokers and trading integrations. Scroll through the list until you find TradingView and select it to start the connection process. After selecting TradingView, TradingView will ask for your login details. Enter your TradingView username and password, then choose whether you want to connect to your live account or your demo account. Once everything is filled in, press Connect to link the two platforms. If you're using an evaluation service that provides free TradingView access, simply log in using the evaluation credentials they gave you instead of your normal TradingView login. As soon as you connect, your TradingView account becomes available inside TradingView. Any market data subscriptions you've purchased through TradingView will automatically apply on your TradingView charts. This means that whatever markets you're subscribed to on TradingView will display in real time inside TradingView without requiring a separate TradingView data subscription. Only TradingView data is needed for chart visibility when using your TradingView account on TradingView. If you recently activated or updated your market data on TradingView, keep in mind that it can take up to 5 minutes for the subscription to fully activate. If the data doesn't show up immediately on TradingView, simply restart the TradingView app and the updated permissions should load correctly. And that's it. Your TradingView account is now successfully connected to TradingView, unlocking a smoother trading workflow where you can analyze markets using TradingView's tools while placing trades directly through TradingView.